Dude, that's big. Today I'm going to be using these shiners for bait, and yeah, we're just going to see what we can catch. This guy should be good. Yeah, just some little golden shiners. Never use shiners at this spot, so hoping they work pretty good, but shiners usually work good everywhere, so let's cast this guy out, try to get a bite. All right, I got a fish. Got one. Go. First fish, nice bass. He choked it, so I just cut it, but nice bass to start off. Let's try to get some bigger ones. Whew. Got it. Oh my gosh. How did I snag it? Oh. Dude, how does that happen? I snagged it. But you guys, it fully blew up on my frog. It's a nice fish. Let's get a length on it. Whew, blew up on that frog. Let her go. I don't know how I hooked it like that though. Makes no sense to me, but there she goes. Oh my gosh. I might be cooked. Actually, I might be cooked. Shoot. There's no way I'm getting this out. Dude. What the Sigma? Alright. Yeah, there's no way I'm getting this out, bro. Have you seen a worse backlash than that? Bro, I snagged this tree when I went back to cast, and then it all went south from there, but I'm gonna put the frog on this pole and then collect all this line, make sure I don't leave it all behind, and then we're gonna try to catch some more on on this frog. But dude, that sucks, bro. First thing, I'm just gonna let all these shiners go because I'm done using them. Thanks for Thanks for letting me use you guys. Go live a happy life. No more luck here at this spot, so I'm just gonna continue my way down the trail. I see a spot over there that I want to try, and yeah, we're just gonna use this frog and see what else we can catch. We're gonna try here. It was just over there at that spot, so see if there's any over here. Just gonna continue working this frog and try to get some big fish. Let's go. We missed it. Dude, that's big. Oh my gosh. That's a big fish. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Dude, he ate the frog. He destroyed the frog, actually. Oh my gosh. That's a lot bigger. That's like a pike-sized fish. Dude. On the frog, bro, in the mouth. Dude, that's a huge fish. That's a really big fish. All right, I'm gonna pop the hook out, and then I'm gonna put him in the bucket, actually. Dude, hook popped right out. All right, let's do it right here. Oh my gosh. Thing is huge. Ow. Line it up. 23 inches. All right, I'm gonna get a weight, pictures, and then let her go. Three pounds, 3 ounces. Dude, that's an awesome fish. Look at that beast in the water. That thing is gigantic. Oh, swim off, girl. There she goes. Got it. Got another one. Oh my gosh. That was a huge bass. Oh my gosh. No. That was a huge fish. Oh my gosh, bro. That was like 4 or 5 pounds. No more luck at this spot, so I'm gonna start heading back and fish some of the spots that I hit on the way here. And there's 2 spots over there that I didn't hit, so I'm gonna hit those on my way back. And yeah, we're just gonna see if we can get any more. And yeah, today's been a great day so far. Definitely my best day of frog fishing. I started off using those shiners and I caught one, but I switched to this frog and it's been getting the job done. So we're just gonna see how many more we can catch. And yeah, stay tuned, guys. That's gonna wrap up the video for today. Had a lot of luck on that frog, caught that huge pickerel, PV, 2 feet long. That thing was giant, but I definitely need to come back here on my kayak. Let me know if you guys want to see that and just fish this whole pond with that frog and try to catch some of those big ones, because I lost a huge bass down there. That thing was at least 4 pounds. But thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the next one and catch you guys later. Bye.